rather die on my feet, tell my truth, and say fuck the police, the criminal activity, with a big bag of green, and the green of Pakistan. Baby, why do all my brothers and sisters suffer, and the politicians, and those like Donald Trump, never accountable, responsible for their actions, baby? Why is it that if we lie, we go to jail? If they do, they get to do whatever the fuck they want. Well, I think that's fucking wrong. How about you? Yes, indeed, we bring the truth to light. We bring the rough noise. We bring responsibility. We bring poverty. Second to none, baby. Woo! Everything you know what I'm saying, baby. Because, yeah, public defense is the goddamn drunk. Here's what you goddamn drunk kiss my ass. Yes, indeed. It's all right. We're going to have a beautiful dinner, beautiful day. No matter what, no matter what. You're here. Stay. Bang, bang, something with you. Go, Virgo. Every time. And Michelle. Maria. Thank you. Appreciate it. Don't you work, man. Tell the queen. But that's what should we look into. The criminal activity together mission. Hey, HD, final level, we represent in a very unique single way, baby. So I love you. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Like that. Yeah, because you know me. All I got left is some truth and honesty. Because you know me. I bring you a television show you never seen with truth and honesty and love, hope and belief, Sons of Liberty, true North Jerusalem. Woo, baby! How fun it is because we're losing the battle. You know, the good times are here to stay because I had to suffer an extraordinary amount of pain. And that's what we're playing. In the king, if I am the king, my king is the president. That's why I love it. Family, I'll no longer let my brothers and sisters be terrified by jail. Because when you go, the shackles, the chains, and you liberate your mind. And you get out there with the yoga of the spirit of the mind. 0 degrees. You know Islamabad, Lahore, Pakistan. Got a special place in my heart and soul. So keep it original. Keep it unique. And you know, Sons of Liberty, true North original. I'll always be there. Love you. Oh yeah, baby. Feel way too damn good. How you doing? Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the show. Cause you know me. We're bringing you something to eat you never seen before. Love you all. Take care of each other. Rise up together.